practical AI, and cloud made clear. Every ad is selling you the agent, build apps in minutes, ship while you sleep. What nobody teaches is the operator's manual. What an agent actually is, how you run your first one safely, when to trust it, and what you should never ever delegate. That's this video. It's beginner first, free tools, no jargon, and the three rules at the end are the ones I actually run on. The frame that makes everything else obvious. An agent is a junior developer who works fast, never sleeps, and will confidently try anything. Like a great intern, it's brilliant with a clear task and dangerous with an open ended one. The lead sets the task, reads the work, and runs the verification. The intern does the walking. Every rule in this video is just how a good lead supervises a good intern applied to software. Here's the real first task: safe, small, and perfect for learning the loop. I point the agent at a flaky login test. Watch what it does. It reads the test, finds the root cause, a fixed leap. Instead of waiting for the element, makes the change as a diff and reruns the suite. 14 tests, green. Now watch my side. I read the diff before accepting and I run the test myself after it says done. The agent did the walking, the lead kept the judgment. That's the whole operating model. Rule 1: plan first. Before it touches a single file, make the agent show its plan. Which files it will change, in what order, with what approach. Most agents have a plan mode. Use it for anything bigger than a one-liner. Here's why. This rule is number 1. Wrong direction is the most expensive failure an agent has, and a plan catches it before a single line moves. Approving a plan takes 10 seconds. Untangling a wrong refactor takes an hour. The plan also reveals whether the agent understood the task. If the plan is wrong, you find out for free before any edits exist. That's the cheapest possible failure. Rule 2: review, read every diff before you accept it. The agent should show you exactly what changed in a reviewable form before anything is applied. Read it like you own it, because you do. Watch for the quiet changes, the rename function, the moved import, the deleted test, the edits that look harmless and aren't. If a diff is too big to review, that's not a reason to skip the review. It's a reason to send it back for a smaller one. The habit here is boring on purpose. Boring reviews are safe reviews. Rule 3: verify, run it yourself. The agent says the tests are green. You run them anyway. You click the thing. You check the edge case. You read the output. This is the verification habit. And it's the difference between delegation and abdication. Delegation is I set the bar and I check the result. Abdication is it said it's done, so it's done. One of those builds skill and trust. The other builds surprises. Free tools can do all of this today, so there's no excuse to skip the safety on price grounds. Rule 4, and it's the one people skip: some things you never delegate. Secrets, always keep out of the prompt. The agent shouldn't see tokens or keys, period. Anything touching real money, watch it like a hawk or do it yourself. Production pushes, and anything irreversible, keep human approval in the path. And judgment calls, the architecture decision, the roadmap, the what should we build question, those stay with you. The frame again, an agent is an intern. You don't hand an intern the company card, the root password, or the roadmap. You hand it a task, a review, and a clear line. So the operator's manual in one card: plan first, review every diff, verify yourself, and never delegate the irreversible. Agents are genuinely useful. They'll finish tasks you'd otherwise postpone, but they're tools with a lead, not replacements for one. Run these 4 rules, and the agent becomes your fastest junior dev instead of your riskiest one. Build with AI, keep your judgment, subscribe for a practical AI breakdown every week, zero hype, just what works.